essential oils.
Yeah.
Wrap using
Essential oils bottles.
Legos.
Lego.
Okay, remove first. And let's,
Can you remove it?
yeah, and you break everything first.
Like everything?
Yeah, so you can teach them how to make. What to do first? First,
You need to do like this. Like this. Like
that. How many? 5? 5
Sorry,
pieces
it's in
of.
my tummy. It's not the eat.
Put the oils at the side so it's not.
This one is too big.
Oh, only the 3. The 3s. This one. You
Whoa!
form 5 first. Yeah, that's right already, but you form 5 like that. So first you line up 5 of these Legos. So you line up 5 of these Legos and you connect. How to connect? Yes, right. This one. This one together here. Yeah. Oh, not anymore. Here now. Here. And then one here.
And 5.
Did we get that?
Yeah.
So it's already 2 layers.
Can you put the more ones?
Yeah. Here. Here. And then the last one.
Is the
Oh, no, here. That's right. Here.
and
Good job. So it's
Yeah.
done. Let's show them. It's done. And you put your essential oils now. Go. Walk. You count.
1,
Starting from 1, sa. You want it to go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
12.
12, 13, so far, 13,
14. 15. Yay. So you have 15 slots. Essential oils rack made from Legos. Good job, Saturn.
good job.
What's your favorite oil?
Lot of them.
Lots of them. How about what's this oil?
Sniffle ears. I love sniffle ears.
It's for the
The sip one.
sip on.
This is like my bottle.
Oh yeah, like your water bottle.
Yeah.
Same color. What's the color?
It's blue.
Yeah. How about this? What's this oil?
This is like from the sky.
The sky. It cannot focus. What's this oil?
Kupa Iba. Just this. Thank you for watching. Enjoy yourself.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this video.
Don't forget to thumbs up.
Thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.
Thank you.
Mwah.
Good job.